Here I've got DOOGEE Y7, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, then slide left to open the settings, select countdown duration and pick the option that you would like to apply, for example 10 seconds. Then take a photo and you will notice that the photo will be taken with 10-second delay. And that's it. Then you can turn it off the same way smoothly. Open the settings, select duration, switch it off, and now the picture is grabbed right after you click. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.